What are you doing, Aaron?
Shopping.
After the storm, we decided to come to Dollar General.
Well, it's Zachary's birthday, so we had to get him some treats.
His birthday's tomorrow.
Yeah.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV. So, we're here. We're getting him an alligator.
Squeaky toy.
Squeak that Cody's probably gonna start.
Yeah.
But we had to get Cody something too, so we got him a little squeaker because that's all he cares about. It says taco about it.
Talk about it.
And then we both love these Rachel Ray soup bowls. And then we've been arguing about this, but
Look how cute this is, guys.
Mickey Mouse.
Looks like a pineapple and you hang it and we put like a fake candle in
Or
there.
a little plant or something. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet, but I love it.
Yeah, we've been debating.
And now we're gonna look for some dinner.
Dinner at Dollar General, guys. Let's see what Chef Aaron can figure out what she can make with food from Dollar General. Coffee creamer.
I do. This is yummy creamer.
Oh,
If you
Dunkin'
love
one.
Dunkin' Donuts coffee. This will make your home coffee. Taste like Dunkin'.
$3.95 for a dozen eggs. Why is everything so expensive? Ugh. This whole inflation crap is BS.
You want corn dogs?
Corn dogs? Sure. Oh, look how cute these are.
So stinking cute. They're the freaking
Seven Dwarfs.
Seven Dwarfs. We
Aw.
got Doc and Dopey and Grumpy. They're so cute.
Oh my god, how much are they?
$4.50.
$4.50.
I want all three.
Oh, I like these owl ones too.
Very cute.
Those are cool. Alright, you want those or you want your Mickey
Okay.
pineapple?
And I want this too.
Oh. What?
How cute.
That's Mickey's RV.
And Minnie too.
Wow, they gotta be separate. They getting divorced?
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
No, well, you can pick one. What do you want?
I'll stick with my lantern.
Stick with the
I guess.
pineapple?
I guess if that's all I'm allowed to get.
Yes, ma'am. You're lucky I'm like allowing that.
There's so many cute things now again.
Yeah.
Oh, Minnie.
They have a lot of Disney stuff. Oh, there's the mini
there's
one.
the mini one. So like, if you wanted both.
That's super cute. Yeah, I like the yellow Mickey.
It's bright and happy. Cute.
I just found something pretty cool, it looks like.
Yeah, it's like mason jars, but there's the tops are solar, and then there's string lights inside.
So it like lights up at night
that's oh my
and
god.
charges
I want
during the
this
day?
too. I want this too.
Oh Lord, how much
Okay.
are they?
$5.
Oh
Okay.
Lord. What?
Get out of
You
here.
got it. Oh. Good job, Aaron.
I gotta be fucking.
Can we get out of the store, please?
I don't know. I want everything. Kim won't let me get this either.
What do we need a bubble one for?
For Zach's birthday.
Oh yeah. Does it
Yeah.
make Mickey bubbles? That's the only way I'm
Yeah.
buying it. You wish.
It's so cute though. And it says it plays music. Okay. I guess I'll settle for my lantern.
Since it's Zachary's birthday, he's being rewarded with a bath. He's definitely not a
He
fan,
does not love baths.
but we do have friends coming in town and they're dirty boys, so it's time. So this is how we bathe them. We have an outdoor shower where a poop tank is. It's okay, my baby. He's such a good boy. He really is a good boy. You'll get plenty of treats tonight, don't you worry. I gotta wrap his presents. And it's puppy number 2's turn. Yeah, Codes. You was a greasy boy.
Yeah, Cody gets so greasy.
Yeah.
Zach just gets itchy, like he himself. But Cody gets greasy and stinky.
Definitely bath time, Codes. He's a good boy. I'm sure you'll get some of Zachary's yummy treats he's gonna get.
Birthday treat.
For the good boys.
Yeah, Zack's 11 today.
Zachary, you ready for your birthday dinner? Mama's making you a birthday dinner. You hungry? He's still mad he got a bath.
Yeah.
But y'all clean. Oh, you guys like our new rug? We got a brand new rug. Cody, are you hungry? You ready for Zachary's birthday dinner?
Foods?
They got some yum wet food. Oh, now he's ready. He knows anytime Mama gets out the cutting board, he's getting some yummy foods. Yeah, so we got a new carpet. What else did we get that was new? Oh, we got a little cute ball plant over here. Isn't that so cute? I love it. What else did we get? Oh, the stuff for outside that we got at Dollar General today. Excuse me, ma'am.
Sorry. I'm making dinner over here.
This is some, what is it, salmon oil?
Yes, Alaskan salmon oil.
How do you put that
Good for
on?
their skin and their joints and their hearts. It's got good omega fats. And I love this brand, the Natural Dog Company brand. I use it for Zach on his feet. He's got skin allergies and stuff like that, and they have a balm for his feet. And when he gets his stomach broken out, and it works really, really well. So if anybody has any kind of allergy to their dogs, you can check this out.
It looks so nasty.
It looks really gross, but they're gonna love it. I don't want to give them too much because they might get other stomach. So.
Okay, yeah, you'll get the rest tomorrow then.
Okay, so but I heated up some water.
He's like, what's happening, Mama?
So I'm gonna add just a little bit of hot water.
Ooh, make a little gravy.
Kinda, yeah. And it's got like barley and beef, I think this was, with some vegetables. And obviously this is not the best thing to give him all the time, but for birthdays and holidays,
You smell it? They smell good?
We like to hook them up
Ready for
too.
your birthday dinner? And then you got presents. Ooh, you got presents to open afterwards. Stay tuned. Oh, they're going to town. Happy birthday, Zachary.
Happy birthday,
He's 11 years old. My old man.
Yeah.
I hope
He's
you live
still-
forever.
He's still cute as a puppy.
Still acts like a puppy sometimes.
He does, for sure, especially when people come over.
Aaron, your hair looks fantastic.
I've been
Just
working
letting
hard
you.
today.
We've been cleaning all day for our friends that are coming over.
And the dog's got a bath, and I took a bath,
Yeah.
and now I need another bath.
And
So-
now it doesn't smell like dirty dog in here
yeah,
anymore.
it's kind of fresh. I like it.
Because we got rid of our rug.
Yeah, it was a
The rug
hairy-
we had in here was like holding the nasty dog smell.
Yeah, like it was kind of like a shag rug, which would, in hindsight, wasn't a great idea.
Nope.
And we enjoyed it for a few months when it was fluffy and fresh.
Until it wasn't.
Yeah.
Hey, birthday boy. You ready for your presents? Zachary, you want your presents?
Hold on, Cody. You got
Zachary's
one too,
birthday.
Cody.
It's Zachary's
Cody,
birthday.
come here. You got one too, Cody. Yeah.
Here you go. Here's your present.
Here you go.
Get it.
Here you go. I had to give Cody his to distract him.
When it's one's birthday, it's both of their birthdays.
There's no way you could just give.
Get that present, Zachary. Oh. Okay, Cody, get the other one.
Get that one, Cody. You want to? No, this one's. Okay. You want to open this one?
Get it, Zachary. His tail's going crazy.
Get it, Cody.
Get it, Zachary.
Over there. That one, Cody. Get it.
Get that toy. What is it?
Did you get
Where'd
it?
you get it?
Oh, he just wants to
Oh,
rip the paper.
you got it. You gotta get the toy, silly.
Yeah. Okay, here's Zach. Open this one, Zach.
Let's
that
talk
one,
about it.
That's Cody. Here,
There's a
Cody.
squeaker in there somewhere.
Cody.
Get that one, Zachary. Get
You got it?
it.
He's more interested in the paper. Just like
What is it? What'd you get? Is it alligator?
You got one more.
One more?
Get it. Get it.
What'd you get? Cody loves anything that has a squeaker in it. What'd you get? You got some treats?
Did you get some treats?
Yummy treats?
Did you get a treat? You did?
Soup bones. They love these.
I cut them up though because they're big. They're like that large. So we cut them into smaller pieces. But should I give him a whole one for his birthday? For your birthday?
Good boy.
Let him chew on it for a little bit.
This is what Zach's eating, the Rachel Ray soup bones. Comes with 3 in a pack. And he loves them.
Yes, he devoured it. I'm gonna give Cody a piece now.
We're protecting our new carpet. Aaron put down a little placemat for Zach so he didn't pick him back. But he ate every bit and he's looking for more. Zachary, you want this toy? You want this toy? Oh, Cody wants a toy. You want this toy?
Okay.
Get it, Zachary. Get that toy. Here's your toy. Good boy. Get that toy. Get it. That's a good boy.
Good.
Happy birthday, my baby. Cody's getting some soup bone too.
Yeah, cut him in little pieces so we can make him last a little.
Zachary doesn't like a lot of treats,
but he likes these.
and he loves them.
He's
We're all
very picky.
we're all clean, by the way. We took showers.
Yes, that's why we look like hot messes. But thanks for hanging out with us.
This night lighting is so cool. Just enjoyed Zach's birthday. Was cleaning up a little bit, came out to throw out the garbage, and it's just so pretty. The light flickering over the mountains. I can hear a little bit of thunder in the distance. I hope it's not coming this way, but very well could be. It's really pretty though. Wow. Hope it's not coming our way. I'm sorry you have to end your birthday with a storm, Smack Mac.
Oh, my
Poor baby. He's hiding under there. But he did have fun. He enjoyed his treats and his toys and his dinner. We had a couple of fun walks today. Cody's relaxing. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out for Zach's 11th birthday. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this kind of hodgepodge of a video with just some crazy weather we experienced and celebrating Zach's 11th birthday. We really hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, guys.
Bye.